like usual. First trick I'm going to be showing you is a cap, and it's pretty well known as a C cap. So you're going to get the toy spinning in opposite directions, split time, right? So, and I do them outside because we're going to learn this on wheel plane first. So, just like that. Split time, opposites. Only this is going to be on your wheel plane. So the best way to start this is like this. Right hand up, left hand down, and swing to the middle and let it spin out, right? And then go to the bottom, right? And then do it again. And then go to the top. And be aggressive with this. And stop right in the middle. Right? And stop right in the middle. Okay? So that's going to get you used to this. I start it like this. I get them as close to each other as I can. And I always go right up first. So I go right up. So right, I got my right hand going clockwise and my left hand going counterclockwise, split time, wheel plane on the outside of my arms. Right hand up, left hand down. Right hand down, left hand up. Okay, ready? So, after you practice that a couple times, we're going to do this for real, alright? So, from this, you're going to aggressively, and I mean like, I do it pretty hard. Split. So that is a C cap. Alright, so once your right arm gets up and your left arm gets down, you do that C, right? When you do that C, it kind of gets you into that motion. So it's almost, this is probably the best way to learn this. Is going like this, right? And aggressively going like this. And kind of feeling it out. So, right on top, left on bottom, toy on the outside, and aggressively shoot to the middle. And then come back. Shoot to the middle. Come back. Shoot to the middle. Come back. Until you got that 180 plus degree arm thing going on. So the next move I wanted to go over is buzzsaws. Buzzsaws are a very easy move to do. So you're going to be doing same direction, right? Split time, and you're going to be wheel plane, right? So how I learned this originally was by just getting this arm up right in front of me, and you want it to be like coming right at your face, right? And then when you're ready, just swing your right arm up into it, right? Or if you're more comfortable with your right hand, get that going, right? And yeah, when you get comfortable, just bring it in. Okay? Now you can do butterflies or buzzsaws opposite direction, split time. You can do buzzsaws going this way too. Alright, so with buzzsaws, it's all about going up and down with the hand. If you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just going up and down with my hand, but very, very barely, you know, it's really just my wrists. So, up close, you can see it's just one up, one down, one up, one down. So literally, just that. So if you're having trouble getting into it, you can even go into it from a 3-beat weave. If you know how to do a 3-beat weave, buzz saws, you can get right into them from a 3-beat weave.